Hello girls and guys, welcome to History of Bits. This is interactive data visualization with Python Bokeh and our sub-series styling part 2. In the last styling video we have seen that changing the color of those axis, line color and text color to something great, like this one. Okay, okay, axis label. Okay, don't worry. So like it's an x-axis. Okay, in this last video I have seen about that many lot. Okay, not many lot, a mini lot. In this video we are going to change these colors and grid colors. Okay, now let me copy code from here. Okay, these codes are available in my GitHub page. The link given below, there will be, the code will be available. Okay, so now let's customize p dot axis. Okay, we need to change the color for overall all the axes. Okay, like it's not our in this previous video we changed axis label color. This one we will change major axis text color equal to red. Let's show it. Okay, major axis text color is similar to major label text color. Okay, we need to change that. Okay, let's change to label. Oh, what happened? Yeah. Okay, p dot, we have not plotted anything. Wow, that one was worst. Okay, x equal to x and yeah, y equal to y. Now it will come on. Yeah, see, now we have changed the color of 3.5 those major label text color. I need different color for different axis. Okay, for my x-axis I need white color, black color. Okay, I will put a black color. For my y-axis I will put green color. Okay, see, now here black color and here green color. Now let me change the line color p dot. Okay, now y-axis dot axis line color equal to green, and my x-axis I will change to color to red. Line color equal to red. Yeah, see, now it has changed to these things. Okay, now I will change this text to red also, so that it will look like similar. 3, this color line also, let me zoom it. Yeah, here. Okay, zoom is enough. It's 3.5 that's red, and 3.5 5.5 this is green. Okay, how to change the tick color? These tick colors are still in black only. Okay, I already said that was a tick color, so come on, zoom out. Not 190, come to 100. Okay, yeah, now p dot axis tick color. Okay, tick color to yellow, it will be wrong. Okay, minor tick line color, major tick line color. Let me change to major tick line color. Yeah, major tick line color means the line which is pointing to that 7, that is major tick line color. And what is minor tick color means minor. I will show you these things. These small things are minor, and that, let me change the color to blue so that we can see that what is happening. So here yeah, changed, okay. These are the super cool things of bokeh. Okay, get zoom out. 120. Come on, zoom in. Okay, let's go full screen. So what we need to do, customize. Yeah, in the next video we will change the background line color. Yeah, maybe I will change in this video itself. P dot axis, not P dot axis, P dot P dot grid line color equal to white, where outline line color, not its outline, it's grid. So grid, grid. Okay, grid line color. Okay, yeah, there is a spelling mistake thing. It's GRID, not GIRD. Okay, we have seen that there is no line back there. Okay, let me change the color to blue, from white to blue. Now we can see it's, it's like disgusting. Let me change the let me change the opacity of those lines. Okay, alpha 0.2. See, now it's looking good. Okay, let me fill in grid dot grid fill color equal to yellow. Grid, not this, it's grid. Okay, go attribute got similar grid line, band fill or minor grid line color, band fill color. We will try band fill color. It's BAND. Okay, let me check. Oh, okay, there are a few ways to fill these boxes with a different color. We will see those things on the next video. On the next video we will remove these unwanted tools from bokeh. Okay, on the next video we will see more customizing, other customizing option. After that video we will go to an interactive data visualization will come in. Interactive will come in. Okay, see you on the next video, guys. Do subscribe and do comment. Okay.